Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. Today I'll be taking you on a trip between McKinnon Station and Malvern Station, which is along the Frankston line in the Melbourne southeastern suburbs. So this video was shot on a Sunday afternoon. I was on the way to meet a friend of mine for coffee in the city. So we just decided to shoot this video while I was there and making my way to the city. So we're coming into Ormond Station at the moment. So this McKinnon, Ormond and Bentley, they were above ground stations before, like in the part of the level crossing removals in 2016. They were moved underground, or sort of underground, and it actually did help a lot with the traffic and pedestrians as well. Saved me a lot of time, especially waiting in peak times on morning peak, and I can actually don't need to miss my train. I'll leave a bit earlier, so I used to miss my train before, especially when a few trains were coming close by. Okay, though, this is good. Now this is good. Now let's go. So this day was Sunday afternoon, and Sunday afternoons aren't that busy on any train line, and especially the AFL, Australian football, wasn't on. So actually it was on, but it was a bit later on.
This is a service to Flinders Street, stopping all stations direct to Flinders Street.
And also, please don't forget that I've started a second channel called Needles Aviation. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to that channel as well. I have uploaded a few videos, and I will be doing some more later on as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to my second channel as well. I would really appreciate it. So we're making our way up Glen Huntly. We just left Ormond and making our way to up to Glen Huntly. Glen Huntly station was redone in 2023, as in finished early 2023 if I'm not mistaken, or late 2022. It was also moved underground, as you can see.
Now arriving at Glen Huntly.
Actually, this is a nice place, nice area to be in, as well as close to the city. And there's a university as well nearby, which is a good field. Now this is the new Glen Huntly station. It was redone the past couple of years. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the train trip. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment as well. I hope that everyone has a wonderful day.
arriving at Caulfield. Change here for Pakenham-Cranbourne services. Caulfield. Change here for Pakenham-Cranbourne services. This is a service to Flinders Street, stopping all stations direct to Flinders Street. Now arriving at Malvern.